Make a great choice today with the 2017 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, tires, rear all-season, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, rear wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all-season. Rediscover the joy of driving and turn everyday commutes into memorable journeys.